Founded in 1886, Smith Corona has maintained 136 years of the highest quality standards. We go further back in the manufacturing process than any other label provider. Here is how we make our 1-inch core and 3/4-inch core product for less than anyone else. The first step is ensuring the quality of our material. Next, we die cut our roll at a separate machine. Then it gets put into our 1-inch core slitting machine. We unwind the large roll and then rewind it into individual rolls. Once the smaller roll is fully wound, the web is cut and small sealing labels are then attached to the end of the rolls in order to finish the product. The finished rolls are then ejected off the shaft, where it starts traveling down the conveyor belt. The rolls continue traveling until the labels are upended. To ensure proper print alignment and roll quality, the cores are patted down. They travel down the conveyor belt and are then picked up and placed inside a box. Once the box is full, it is sent down the line where it is then folded, taped, and then labeled. As you can see, all of our product is labeled with specific lot number information that allows us to track and trace any potential issues. In fact, we stock over 150,000 boxes of finished labels and ribbons and aim to provide same-day shipping on over 300 items. All that is left is for you to place your order. Whether you need a box or a truckload, the odds are we have it ready for immediate delivery. And that is how we make our 1-inch core and 3/4-inch core faster and more efficient than anyone in the label industry.